Sige, pwede na. Walk. Going to Limasawa kami, guys. Here we are. See you Limasawa in 30 minutes. Nasa Limasawa Island na kami. Hello.
Hello. Hi. Going to Limasawa. 21.
Yes.
When Ferdinand Magellan landed.
Paid na already.
Thank you.
Already is the paid.
Tagay namin yung signal, please.
Okay.
Oh, did you naman
Waiting for us to come. Saan tayo? Excited to Limasawa.
Julius! Pareho siya. Ugma sa buntag. Pinsa may amon sakyanan. Ha? Pwede na siya ka-istoryahan ko.
Hindi lang kita kayo gawin ng pwede. Hindi lang kita kayo gawin ng Gamo doon mga pasay, please.
Text ko, ha? Sa iyong number.
Ayaw kita.
Thank you. Okay na yun.
Ay na kita.
Limasawa!
Pinan first timer.
Mura kayo na kita.
Not me, because college days, I already been there.
Pinan may mga dara nga baby boy.
Present. Hi!
Going there.
Mga baby boys.
Hi nan mga baby
The
boy.
real baby boys. Because they are very young. What about you, sister?
Thank you for the early trip. Very excited.
Okay, nice. What about you, Attorney Star and Madam Agnes? What can you say about our trip? Korean love.
Oh, you say something?
Okay lang siya, okay lang. Oh, my cousin is nagugutom. Kailangan pagdating doon may tinulak. Pa-restore. Hoy. Sining pa nababatian. Bityo ini ha. Iya madi, ihatag ko na ka marigasa at
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
ato man.
Dito na. So, welcome to Limasawa Island.
Welcome to Limasawa Island, where the first mass was celebrated with Magellan during that time on March 16, 1521. Yaks!
Well said. Thank you.
Ito na kita Boracay.
Paburakay kita.
Boracay na kita.
We need somebody to... Uy, Papa, malayo daw ka muna madidulog.
Kay.
Kaya hindi dinaran.
Okay lang yan. Yes, dito na ni...
Where's the port?
Oh, ano lang kita din ni maagi. Oh, sige. Slowly guys, slowly we are here.
Kita.
Yes. Eating time. Arrive safe. Yeah, already here.
Check it out. Tapos dito kita mapakian. Kay bangon mo din. Okay. Pero sakay kita yung tricycle. Kay tricycle yung tira din.
Yes.
Resort.
Anis Beach Resort. O sige, wait lang kay we still have to Mr. and Mrs. Bugal. Mr. Bugal. Yes.
Hindi pa. Nagpipintar.
Sige. Here na. Oh, sige. Dito tayo sa Pink Apple, guys. Pink Apple tayo. Marami din silang, bag. Oh, dito na tayo. Kain muna tayo. Ang ganda dito sa Pink Apple. Ang ganda dito.
Wow, tangi og anong iisda?
Ayan. Mga souvenir. Go! Set! Okay. Para saan tayo? First, saan tayo?
Magellan's Cruise.
And then?
Iwan ko sa driver.
Okay. Basta driver slowly down lang tayo. Going kami to Magellan's Cross. And then sunod, saan tayo? O, diba? Nandyan tayo. Ano na? Up and down in the mountain.
Okay, ato ta sa museum.
Okay, museum.
Sige, Mads.
Oh, amo na ba itag
Mads,
pag-usad?
picture ito yadi daman ito.
It's the museum here.
Okay, so
Here we are.
let's go up.
Oo, and then up.
Ako na mag-picture, ma'am. Picture.
And then up here.
Basta dito may kuwan.
No go hit over there. Your money is there.
Man, ada nakabuka.
Are ba? Okay.
Madsen. Na picture mo ini nga tanan. Clear as clear. I don't know lang. Yoy, kikita agad anin. I do know.
The arrival of Magellan. Several days later, March 29, 1521. Friday sa Friday.
Pulang bugod.
Blood compact. Several blood pack. Kasi on the first mass. Di na the first mass. It's the first mass.
March 31. 29 hiya umabot.
First mass. March 31 hiya nag-abot. Oh,
March
29 and then March 31 officiated by Father Pedro D. Valderrama. And then the Eskrima. The Eskrima. Planting of the cross. Okay. March 31 gihapon madi ang planting of the cross. We are going to the cross ni Magellan.
Natural shrine.
We are going to the cross. The Magellan's Cruise. Saan yun?
Okay.
Oh, dito. Yeah. How many steps? It's 100. 200 steps going. Going up. Oh, OMG. Okay. Dahan-dahan lang tayo. Ito, the overlooking. The overlooking Limasawa. We can see the what?
The Bohol is here.
The Bohol. The Bohol and Bohol is there. Here?
Burgos,
Padre Burgos.
Asin,
Maasin.
Kamigin.
Kamigin. Ayan, di Kamigin Island.
Bundok. Ayan, Kamigin.
Okay.
Hala, overlooking picture.
Island nga gamay. Tangkaan, sir. Ha? Tangkaan na.
Amo ng tangkaan.
Ang tumoy na siya.
Resort. Sige, how much is that? Payang kalakat, payang kalakat. Ano ka dito? Ano ka dito? Wow, so nice. Hello. We are here. Duck Beach Resorts.
Yes, it looks
Okay.
like beautiful, like a blue lagoon.
Very nice lagoon. Yeah, welcome to Dakak. Where are you now? Oh,
Sumama kayo doon.
sige.
Dito na lang kami.
Ay, kalaw sa Diyos, Diyos ko, Lord. Ay, sus, Maria Josep, ginoo ko.
Kawayan pa ko dito.
Ay, sus. Ata, doon man dikit. Uy,
Dito na lang ta.
taas-taasan, dito na lang kitahaan.
Ano? Basta malo sa dako.
Taas.
Bakari ko kita.
Karigo ka?
Oo.
Okay, gap dito pagkarigo.
Lugar at pagkinanyo ta.
Ah, sige, go, go. Sige. Pa? Kaya? 450 steps. Going down. Oo.
Kanila, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ah,
Adi na. Pedro lang ni Marcelino.
so,
Awi madi ako.
only you. Only you. Ano, kaya bulpa? Kaya, sus. Go. This is a beautiful Blue Lagoon, ladies. Guys, hello. Wow. Very nice. It's very cold. It's very cold here. Nice Blue Lagoon sa Limasawa. Matugnaw. Kahusay. Hello, hello. Hello. Facing here.
Diri din, kay labon naman niya. Pero dito may kung haopen si.
Video ito niya mo pare. Kamot iya bisyo. Kada adlaw ito niya ato dagat. Diri ka po yun. At least mo pa itong exercise niya. Kaya mong siringan niya doktor. Ang doktor kanina nga wala sila magkakilala. Nga best friend na ito niya anak na doktor. Oo. Bye-bye, Lima. See you again.
Bye-bye.
See you again, Lima. Bye-bye for now. Diyan na kayo, diyan. Here. Tag-usap. Bye-bye, Lima. See you again. Yes, hello.
Welcome aboard to my BRT. Limasawa.
See you, Burgos, in 1 hour.
I'm here.
Okay. May I see you? Where are you? Nagunsa man mo diri sa kuan Limasawa.
Lima ka asawa.
Mau ba? Babalik again. Asa man yung mga asawa? Wa diha. Way asawa.
Asawa.
Ang inyong 5 ka asawa, asa naman?
Mangita pa ni.
Ha? Sige, picture, kupol-kupol.
Okay.
Ay,
Ito ko tak-ider.
an mag-iderm.
Uy, ano pa ni para ider? Oh, dili.
An mag-iderm. Okay.
Kita.
Oh, ira, dan na, dan.
Kumakaraw do, tao.
Corrupting minors. Hoy, I am the minor.
An mag-iderm.
He is the senior.
Ay, maaw. Dan na, dan already.
Dan kami nga mo ninikuan barko lang.
Sige, bye. Bye, Lima. As of now, see you again. See you again next week.
You join us.